Hi everyone and welcome back to Mosaics by Marisela. Today we're diving into a beautiful technique called Pique-Assiette. Pique-Assiette is a French mosaic technique that means plate picker or play thief. It's all about creating beautiful art from broken or discarded dishes, giving all pieces a new life. Today I'll show you how to use this charming method to make 3D mosaic flowers. Grab your materials and let's jump right in. For this project, I recommend using thin china or ceramic dishes. There are two main reasons. First, thin dishes are much easier to break and cut. Second, since this is a small scale piece, thicker dishes can end up looking bulky or too heavy for the design. You can use all dishes you already have around the house or check out your local thrift store. I found these for just few dollars, and to my surprise, they were still in their original packaging. If you don't have anything suitable at home or nearby, I've also added some links in the description below where you can find similar plates and supplies online. Now we'll start shaping our flower petals. Using a sharp pair of wheel nippers, begin cutting pieces from your cups and plates. Because plates can vary in thickness, sharp tools really make a difference here. Before cutting, mark your petals using a Sharpie marker. Then place a deep tray or bucket to help contain any shards while cutting the china. For this project, I'm making 3 flowers. You can see how I mark and cut the shapes here. I decided to leave the edges on file for a more natural organic look, but feel free to smooth yours if you prefer. I cut all the petals following the same method until I have the right number to complete my 3 flowers. Here is a neat trick. Use plastic or metal caps from jars or bottles as the base for your 3D flowers. Choose caps with low sides. This helps lift the petals just enough to create that beautiful 3D effect. Cover the cap with plastic food wrap, then apply clear silicone in the center. Start arranging your petals around the base just like this. Once the petals are in place, add a decorative center. I'm using glass stones and beads for variety. Repeat the process for your other flowers. One of mine is a closed bud shape instead of fully open. Let them dry for at least 8 hours. While the flowers dry, let's create the background for our piece. I'm using a picture frame and adding a thick cardboard as the substrate. I gave it a coat of white acrylic paint because I wasn't sure if I could use clear glass, but you can leave it as is if you like. Glue the cardboard into the frame using E6000 adhesive. Once that's dry, begin gluing pre-cut glass tiles with weld bond adhesive. If you don't have cardboard, you can use the glass from the frame as your substrate and just continue with the same steps. Let everything dry fully. Next step, grouting. Use a Premix grout and apply it over the tile background. If you have never grouted before, check out step 11 in my beginner mosaic tutorial. I've linked it in the description below to help guide you. On step 6, remove flower from molds. Once the flowers are fully dry, remove them from the caps. Peel off or cut away any extra plastic wrap and ta-da! You can already see how dimensionally and lovely they look. Now let's bring it all together. Glue your 3D flowers onto the tile background. Arrange them in whatever layout you like. Then add stems and leaves using cut glass and ceramic pieces. Remember, you can find all the materials I am using for this project listed in the description below. I'm using E6000 to glue everything in place. Use a cotton swab and rubbing alcohol to remove any adhesive smudges from the background. I'm also adding some ceramic leaves to complete the composition. Here is an idea to customize this mosaic. You could add a name or message with plastic letters if you like. It could be a great gift. And that's it. Look at how beautiful these 3 Pique-Assiette flowers turn out, full of charm, texture, and upcycled creativity. If you enjoyed this project, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more mosaic tutorials and ideas. Thank you so much for watching Mosaics by Marisela. See you in the next one.